Okay guys, ito guys, task building draw 1.30 before after. So tips, draw the task as a whole using right angle tool. Ganito. Be sure not to include walkway, driveway in your work. So walkway, ito siya. Para kasing may ano siya, may straight line. Pero lupa 'yan, walkway or driveway. So di natin yan i-include. Ito rin. Para ring may bubong. Pero hindi ito ano lang to, asphalt. Huwag natin tong isali. Okay? Hindi ko pa na-download. Dali lang to guys, okay? Download na. Ito draw na natin guys, no? F. Ganyan lang. Ito extension, sasali natin yan. Zoom in, click, space, last. Then F. Ganyan lang. Hindi natin sali to. Dito na tayo. Space. Yan. Okay na guys.